How you doing? So today I'm making a cute little video for this cute little puppy. So this is a new puppy I got. It's a him. It's a boy. His name is Zorro, and this is Zeke. Hi. They're all little baby puppy huskies. And I'm just gonna show you what I've been teaching them. And they're just puppies. Yes, they're probably turned. Here, Zeke. Shake, shake. Good job. Can you shake, shake, shake? No, he only knows how to lick hands. He does know how to stand though, but it's really hard to get him to stand. Hey, Zeke. Hey, you. Hey, get back here. Oh, I think they're gonna play. Or they're just gonna mess with what I did for my daily chore. Hey, I was gonna do my daily. Oh no. Oh shoot. Anyways, daily chore. Daily chore. Supposed to do my daily chore. I'm doing this one-handed. I would tape my phone to my forehead, but then I wouldn't know what time it is. Get out of here, stick. Out of here. Okay, so, back to the puppy. No more doing daily chores. I'll do them after the video. These are so cute. Puppies. Yes. Alright. Anyways, that's all for today, guys. Leave a like, subscribe, and that way I can just do a video where I show my face. 1,000 for face reveal. You'll see who's under this camera. Bye, guys. Have a great day. And God help the puppies. Bye.